What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Wetlands Fishing and today's a special one. We are fishing the K9 in glide mode and it's the first time I've ever fished it that way. I've had this glide bait for about a year, only dead walked it and only got strikes on it, nothing else. So let's see what happens and let's see what we can get into. Let's get it.
Oh my, oh no! That was so dope!
Dive bomb it, and then before that, I had a fish on it and then spit the hook right back at me. Thank God it didn't hit me in the face. Oh, I just had a fish hit it. Oh my God, it's a big one. Oh, K9, Calcutta 20-pound line. Let's go. That was the sickest K9 catch ever. Oh my. Another Klash. Yeah. Let's go. Nice fish on the K9, another look. The second one on the K9. Thank you, buddy.